Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna give you guys some heat today. A lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions on the surplus fund. That's my video that's most popular, and a lot of people went to my DMs asking me questions. They want to know more. They want a mini course. A lot of comments. So I'm giving you guys what you want. And so I'm gonna go more in depth on the state fund side or the surplus fund side, because that is the part that I excelled at. That is the part that I made the most money at. So I feel like this is the part that I can teach the best. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain it as quick as possible and explain how you guys can get started in this too. So what is state funds? Okay, there's surplus funds and state funds. If you guys haven't known, surplus funds is with property, you're owed money on your property or whatnot, and surplus or state funds is when you're owed on, let's say, the stock market, a paycheck, payroll, just random things that you're owed. A bank account. Let's say you had a old bank account, and let's say you lost your ATM card, and you just forgot about that bank account. What happens to that money in that bank account? The bank just doesn't keep it. They can't just keep it. What they do is they go ahead and give it to the state. Now the state has your money from the bank account sitting in their little treasure office, and the way you get it is until you go into the state and you pick it up yourself. That's how you get paid. So how can you make other people money off, or how could you make money off finding this state funds? How does that work? The way this works is like this. You go to the state and you ask to become an investigator. When you're an investigator, you can go ahead and now look up, how much money there is, or how much money someone's owed, and you can go ahead and reach out to them. You have to be registered with the state, whatever you're in. But this is super simple to do. All you have to do is just send your ID and a couple of questions, and boom, you're an investigator. Super easy. Okay, it's not a big deal to become an investigator. Anyone can become an investigator. I think they do that just to make sure for tax purposes and to make sure who you are. That's basically it. All right, so you go ahead, go to the state, you find a list, and I'm gonna show you the list right here on my laptop. And if you see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my laptop. All right, so this is the list. Every line right here is people that are owed money that they never claimed in the state of California. And they have 4 of these files. So this is the bottom. If I go all the way up, it will literally take me 20 minutes to scroll all the way up. It will take me forever just to scroll up like this. There's so much. Let's see where we're at. 300,000, almost 400,000. It's gonna take me forever, and this is just one file. And let's see how much people are owed. How much money are people owed? So this one is, there's one person that's owed 12,000. There's another person. Let's see, scroll down, because the lower you scroll, the more it is. So this one's 20,000 over here. 30,000. Just guys, and you get 10% of that. You can charge, it could be negotiable, but the highest you can charge in the state of California is 10%. So let's say with this $30,000 that's owed to Mr. Roberts Grace, or his name is Grace Roberts. His first name is Grace. Mr. Grace is owed $30,000, and you charge him 10% to go ahead and retrieve those funds. Guys, that's $3,000 easy. Who does not want to get their $30,000 in royalties back? Royalties. You go ahead and just remind them, hey, you have royalties of $30,000, and you tell Robert this. He's gonna be like, oh yeah, or Mr. Grace Roberts. He's gonna be like, yeah, I remember about those royalties. What happened to that? And be like, sir, I have access to go ahead and pull these accounts from you. Boom, close them. You go ahead, and now you made $3,000 just like that. Super easy. And I have different ways on exactly how to make this. I have so many different ways on how to actually find these people, which is the best ways. So just keep listening, okay? So that's what state funds is, okay? How much can you make? How much money can you make? 10% is the cap on how much they're owed. So if they're owed 30,000, you get 3,000. If they're owed 1,000, you get 100. You get 500, $500, you get 10%, which is $50. Okay, hopefully I did my math right. You know, it's like an idiot, but it's 10%. You get 10% of that. All right, so where do you find your state funds? Okay, you go ahead, you just go to the state, and they'll go ahead and send you this. As soon as you have that, you can go ahead and start locating these people. How do you locate these people? That's another question, you know. How am I supposed to find Mr. Grace Roberts? Very easy. Look up where what state he's in. Of course, he's in California. I'm in California. Let me show you an example. So it shows the city, even gives you the city they're in, even gives you it gives you where their address is. It gives you their address. So as you can see, 1624 Sacramento, California. Guys, it gives you the address. You can literally find, if you don't want to go to their address, you can literally just call them. You just find the way that you find their number. Google, put their first name, last name, the address, the city, and the state, and you're gonna go ahead and Google's gonna pop out with some numbers. Now you have numbers to go ahead and call these people. Super simple. That's just a free way. This is all free. No marketing, no money. This is free if you just want to call them. All right, so what else do you need to get started in this business? Okay, so what I suggest you need is a little bit of, you're gonna need to go to the post office. Another thing is notaries. You're gonna need a notaries. You're gonna need contracts, and I'm gonna show you exactly where to get these contracts at as well. So, and that's basically it. That's all you need to start this business. All right, and best marketing ways, of course, cold calling. You know, cold calling. Just go ahead and call them. Facebook. You have their name, their address, you have everything. They're right there. Facebook, Google, LinkedIn. There's so many ways to find these people, and I can go more in depth if you guys want to. If you guys are more interested in more videos on how to do this, go ahead and comment. Please, guys, comment down below. It helps with the algorithm. And go like and please subscribe to the channel. Go to my Instagram, aka DBOI, and send me a DM if you guys have any questions, or if you have any questions on here, go ahead and put them on the comments. All right, so there's a bunch of ways on how to find these people. There's so many people, so many people. You can send them a letter if you really want to, a postcard. Okay, so, and how do you get paid? So the way you get paid is like this. Super simple. You go ahead, you find this person, they agree to work with you. You go ahead and go to the state, you let them know, and they'll go ahead, and as soon as they make sure that everything's notarized and everything's good, they're gonna go ahead and give your client his check, and they're gonna take out whatever percentage you negotiated, which is gonna be 10%. So he's gonna get his 29,000. All right, so he's owed 30,000. He's gonna get 29,000. You're gonna get, he's gonna be 3,000. Sorry about that. So it's gonna be 27,000. He's owed 30,000. He's gonna get 27,000. You're gonna get 3,000. Everybody's happy. He's not gonna see the deducted, nothing. He's gonna get a check of 27,000. You're gonna get your check of 3,000. Super simple. And guys, this is just one page. I'm not even in the page where it goes deep, where it goes to the 100,000s, 200,000. There's people that are owed crazy amount of money, and you can go ahead and find these people, and you can go ahead and get paid. This is probably the easiest way. If you're trying to start a business, this is the way to do it. All right, guys, if you found this useful, if you found this go ahead and please just, give me a like. And what I'm gonna be doing is, if you guys want to go more in depth in how I do this, I'm gonna be I have a mini course. So go ahead and go to my Instagram, aka DBOI, send me a DM and ask me about the mini course, if you can go ahead and join the mini course, and I can go ahead and I'm gonna go more in detail on those points of exactly how to do it. All right, guys, so go ahead and, the first 10 people that go ahead and do that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna give it out super cheap, just to make sure that you guys get your results. And if you guys are getting your results, then maybe I can put you on a video or something, but it's gonna be super cheap. I just needed the first 10 people, and so that's basically it. Go to my Instagram, aka DBOI, and go ahead and send me a message. If you guys found this useful, please like it, subscribe, put a comment if you have any questions. I'll answer all the the questions on the comments. And yeah, if any questions, like I said, you know, just send them down. So hopefully you found this video semi-interesting, semi-informative. If you guys want me to go more in depth into exactly in YouTube, if you want me to do more in YouTube videos on this, put some comments down, guys. I need your guys' help, because if you guys don't give me good feedback, I won't make more videos on this. All right, guys, so thank you, and I hope you guys have a blessed day, and, you know, hopefully you guys are getting some money. All right, peace.